Chapter 1. Be prepared. Trading is 100% mental. Trading means the buying and selling of one or multiple stocks to take advantage of price fluctuations rather than just holding on the stock indefinitely. Success as a trader is a difficult achievement. It has never been easy. The mind of a trader is mischievous and is often a primary cause of failures. The market is always creating noises, and if a trader fails to control his inner noises, then how can he listen to what the market is trying to tell him? The most common fault in trading is overthinking, dwelling on the past, and not keeping to the trading plan. Besides thinking that too much, a trader may believe he is always correct and will refuse to accept the reality of the market. Fundamental and technical analysis. When a stock price is compared to intrinsic value, it is termed as fundamental analysis. When the stock price is looked at from an angle of supply and demand, then it is known as technical analysis. Each method of analysis is just as useful and important as the other, and both the methods should be used in combination when reading the market, and it is very popular in them. A long term trader or long term investor relies on fundamental information, whereas a short term trader or short term investor we rely on he relies on technical analysis. In trading, the objective is to win swiftly when possible. It is all about knowing how to handle the trade in accordance with the trading strategy and time frame. So it is with the market, there is no such thing as constant market. The uh, market changes with time. It is always trying to throw us off balance. Traders have to hear what the market is trying to say and follow its flow. They need to be responsive and flexible in the development of trading strategies. A trader must learn to take profits when the trend is over. A successful trader needs to be patient.